temal oli, he was a very interesting character. He also tried out for the Green Bay Packers, was a fan of Vincent Lombardi. We trained, like I told you about the piggyback, and we had weights in the water. We had hockey pucks on our foreheads when we were swimming. We had kicked with running shoes. We would wear undershirts when we'd swim. We'd be tied up with surgical tubing and try to swim. He tried all sorts of things, and so one time when we had all the different strokes, at one point he just tried all sorts of things. He made all the backstrokers walk backwards for a month. So my sister remembers when I was little that I would walk to school backwards, like me pidime mäest üles kõndima, kui me käisime koolis, minu õde. Ja tema on nüüd mulle, tema lastele ütlenud seda jutt, et tädi Kiia kõndis. For a month she walked backwards. So maybe that did it. To answer your question of why selili, I don't know, but things like walking backwards for a month, it actually, his logic was that the turns are typically slower in backstroke because you don't, well now they aren't, because you can turn on your stomach, and all the world records and all the records fell when that happened. But when I was swimming, you still had to touch the wall while you're still on your back. And so backstroke turns were slower than the turns facing the wall, just because you naturally, human instinct. I don't know if this helped, but I heard stories that other coaches in Canada at nationals would have guys watch my turns because my turns were so fast. So when they checked my splits, my turn would be so fast, and I did those suicide turns, and I would split faster than the men would. And so maybe what I do know after walking backwards for a month, like in school, going to class and everything, is that I did approach the wall perhaps faster than I would have if I hadn't walked backwards for a month.